Good morning, class. Standard 8 History and Civics. Today's chapter's history, that is your chapter number 5, the Sangam age, that is 3rd century BC to 4th century AD. Sangam age is formed on Tamil Nadu, those days Tirukural, Tiruvalluvar. Chera, Chola, Pandian, the kingdom was in Tamil Nadu. You must have seen in Alsur Lake in front of, besides RBMS College, this corner, the Tiruvalluvar statue was established. He is one of the famous poet. He wrote 1330 poems. If you go to Tamil Nadu, every bus and every school they have written is poet only. Even in the Indian Parliament also is there. This word, one word is different type, different situation, different. Each and every lines have been sentiments. That is happened. That is true story of like. Now let's see introductions. What is the Sangam age? Very small chapter it is. Sangam age refers to the period when the Tamil literature was composed Tamil scholars in three successive literary gatherings called Sangam. What was the Sangam? There were three important kingdoms, namely Chera, Chola, and Pandya kingdoms in Tamil Nadu during the Sangam age. The Chera kings were known by many titles such as Vanavar, Villalar, and Malayalar. That is, Vanavar means sky type, that is a caste type, it is that. Villalar, the bow and arrow. Malayalar, those who are staying in hilly area state, Malayalar. Likewise, Cheran Chengutavan was the most popular king of the Sangam Cheras. The Chola kings were known as Chonadu, Kaveri Nadu, Kaveri Shulnad, Kaveri Shul, Neer Nadu, and Punal Nadu. Karigolan was the most popular king of Sangam Cholas. The Pandyan kings were known as Moran, Valodi, and Chelian Mudukundamani. Peruvalti was the most popular king of the Sangam Pandya. Now let's see sources for the study of Sangam age. A literacy source, Tirukural. Tirukural constitutes one of the most important literary works in Tamil. It is a collection of 1330 Tamil couplets organized into 133 chapters. Each chapter is further divided into three major groups known as Aram, Porul, and Inbam. Aram means where, what you are talking. Porul means that is items. And Inbam, happiness. Aram means karma, you may say karma. What you are doing, that is. Aram represents virtue. Porul defines principles of life of both common people and the state. And Inbam deals with accept. That means accepts of love. except of love. This important literary work, authored by Thiruvallur, has been translated into 37 other languages. Now we'll come to the archaeological sources, that is megalith. Megaliths are huge stones found at most burial sites, mainly upland areas of Peninsula, and also known as memorial stones. The megaliths contain not only skeletons of people who were buried, but iron tools, arrows, pottery, and fragments of rice, other grains have been found. Megaliths reflect the mode of disposal of the death. Now we'll come to the brief study of society. Class divisions and tribal arrangement existed side by side. Four classes were there: priestly class, ruling class, traders, and farmers. The Brahmins were acceptable and land community. King enjoyed the ruling power. Their trade was common, both traders and farmers. It looked like it's a Mayuryan side, Mayuryan empire. Same thing this is followed here. Main food were grains, flesh and fish, vegetables, milk and milk products. Clothing usually comprised two pieces of cloth. Ornaments were worn by both men and women. Now, different modes of entertainment existed, like dancing, cockfighting, goat fighting, gambling, and wrestling. The status of women in Sangam society was not quite equal to that of men, but they enjoyed freedom of movement in society. There were female assistees belonging to Buddhist or Jain tradition, like Kuandi, Adilal, and Manimegalai. The worship of Kannagi or Patlini was perhaps an extension of worship of the goddess of chastity. Next, brief studies of economy. Agriculture was the main occupations. Chief crops were rice, cotton, ragi, sugarcane, pepper, ginger, cardamom, turmeric, cinnamon, and different varieties of fruits. Spinning and weaving of cotton had attained a higher degree of perfection. Other occupations were shipbuilding, metalworking, carpentry, rope making, ornaments making, tanning, and making of ivory products. Both internal and foreign trade was undertaken. Internal trade was brick, caravans of merchants with cart pack animals carried their merchandise from place to place. Paddy was the medium of exchange. Urayur was a great center of trade. The great port cities were the emporia of foreign trade. The port of Naura Lindis, Moisins, and Nelsindia were important ports of the west coast. Now, this is a timeline of events. Sangam literacy gathering took place 1st century BC to 2nd century AD. Silapatikaram was supposedly written. Chera Chola Pandyan rule disappeared in 3rd century AD. So this was a timeline of events. So totally is different on Sangam age. For your examination, you must study social society, status of women, economic status, and Tamil Chera Chola Pandyan, 3 kingdoms for your examinations. Good morning class. Stay safe, stay home.